Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to maths class with Ma'am Avish Khan. Please take out your maths notebook. Put margin lines. Write date. Today is 13th September 21st and day is Monday. Our topic of discussion is fractions in its simplest form. Today we'll learn how we can reduce fractions in its simplest form. Okay, so let's go for first example. The question is written over here, 4 upon 20. Okay, so how we can solve this fraction, or how we can reduce this fraction in its simplest form. First of all, we have to find the factors of 4 and the factors of 12. Factors of 4 and the factors of 12. So the question is, how we'll come to know that which are the factors of 4 and which are the factors of 12. Basically, factor is any of these numbers that when multiplied together form a product. So basically, how we can find the factor, we have to find any two numbers or any number which will multiply with each other, will get 4 and will get 12. In a simplest way, you will find a table in which this number comes. You will have to find the number table in which this number comes, that is 12 and that is 4. Okay, so basically factors of 4 as R will be 1 4s are 4, 2 2s are 4 and 4 1s are 4. That's it. Okay, now let's go for the factors of 12. We have to find the table in which 12 comes, like 1 12s are 12, 2 6s are 12, 3 4s are 12, 4 3s are 12, 6 2s are 12 and 12 1s are 12. That are the factors of 4 and 12. Okay, after finding the factors of numerator and denominator, we'll go for the common factors. Common factors are 1 1, others are 2 2 and the last one is 4 4. Okay, after finding the common factors 1 2 and 4, these are the common factors. After finding the common factors, we'll go for the greatest common factor and look at this, which number is greater in these numbers. 1 is greater 2 or 4. Obviously 4 is greater than 1 2, so our greatest common factor will be 4. Okay, after finding our greatest common factor, what we'll do, we will divide our numerator and denominator with our greatest common factor. What we'll do, we'll divide our numerator and denominator with our greatest common factor, like this. Okay, I'm going to divide my numerator and denominator with my greatest common factor, that is 4. 4 1s are 4 and 4 3s are 12. Now look at this, 4 by 12 in its lowest term, that is 1 upon 3. Okay, that is 1 upon 3. So what is the lowest form of 4 by 12? That is 1 by 3. Let's go for another example, that is 2 upon 3. Can you reduce it? Can you simplify 2 upon 3 in its lowest term? How we can simplify, or how you can reduce 2 by 3 in its simplest form? Okay, look at the factors of, write the factors of 2. Let me write factors of 2 are 1 and 2. And what are the factors of 3? Factors of 3 are 1 and just 3. After writing the factors of 2 and 3, we'll go for the common factors. What are the common factors? Common factors are just 1. What are the common factors? Common factor is just 1. And what is the greatest common factor? Obviously, when the common factor is just only 1, so its greatest common factor will also be 1. So when we divide our numerator and denominator with 1, you'll get 1. You'll get the same number, that is 2 by 3. It means that 2 by 3 is already in its lowest term. Okay, that's all about the simplest that's all about the fractions, that how we can reduce our fractions in its simplest form. Okay, thank you for watching this video. But still, if you have any question or query regarding this topic, you may ask in your next class. Have a good time. Allah Hafiz.